TokyoPaul. Let's go inside the Nissan shop. Yeah, let's hope I get good reception for a while. But we are going to see what it's like inside. I love the lit up symbol. That is so cool. And this, the Hyper Punk, reminds. Hey, what's that? YTSFD? Totally reminds me of the. Oh, by the way, this was the Aria. Here's the price: $86,000. Yeah. Yeah. That's the Aria, Nissan's premier SUV. And then this is their futuristic vehicle. It looks like the Cybertruck.
Okay.
Inside, it looks kind of crazy. Carbon fiber-ish. Dude, that thing is see-through. Cranes? It looks like cranes inside. For like a Adidas shoe sole. Garfield matte, Youngler, Navy low end, Gap is mid. Yeah. You guys all got it. No more than me. Look at that. It's like looks like a fly-by-wire drive thingy. Weird eyes on the display there. That looks cool. Inside looks like a VSU. The back, there. Wow. Excuse me. Nissan Crossing. Dude, look at the back of this thing. I love how like the logo is always lit up. A lot of Japanese cars do that in Japan and not overseas. So this Nissan, same. It's got nice perfume inside. Feels a little bit citrusy. Well, this car is like one of those easy shoes. Yeah, you know what I mean? It's like an easy shoe, inspired. Nissan. Look at the Hyper Punk car. It's just again, yeah, man, Frank. Look at the easy shoe thing. The easy shoe thing going on there. I feel like it's gonna cut so thin and angular. Look at that. Oh, I thought they sell a toy. It's $50. I mean 44. They sell the toys. That's cute. I think I want that one, but it's $44. Oh my. And look, oh, there's an extra Nissan sign there. That's cool. This is maybe Trump is popular hairstyle. Well, Trump looks pretty presidential, you know, probably spends a lot of money on his style and look. And that's cool. Oh, it's going down. Oh, it's going down. Nice.
Now you gotta wait a minute.
It looks like Cybertruck totally. Oh, sorry. Oh, it opens every 10 minutes. Doors open every 10 minutes.
皆様に3台電車についてご案内いたします。1階ターンテーブル上ではフォーミュラEの J2 マシンを展示しております。こちらの J2 マシンは FIA フォーミュラE選手権で2022年のシーズン8まで使用されていました。
Look at these super crazy looking lights and design and shoes. Lucky we already saw inside, I know, right? Unless we have to wait another 10 minutes. Is that a Nissan? Looks like a muscle car. Look at this guy. Nissimo, just like in the movies. Oh my god. It's all sticks and wheels. That's gotta be a thing of beauty. 23. Wow, Julius Barr. Is that the driver? Oh, it's got AI inside. The Aria. No wonder it's $86,000. Oh, it's closing. back door is closing.
貴重な一台ですので、
Wow.
ぜひお近くでごゆっくりと
Cool, man. Whoa, look at the back of this. It's like the Batmobile.
2階の展示車をご用意しております。2階フロアでは1988年に登場した S13 型シルビアと
It's like the Batmobile. Julius Barnes. Thing like is so. It looks like it floats on air and cuts through the air. It's the Aria. What the? That brand that goes through everything. Probably very expensive tires. Those tires probably cost more than my car. Michelin. Oh, look at these lines. Nissan Intelligence. What's that? Intelligent. So Nissan's Formula One car. Wow. Whoa. Nice. Let's go to the second floor and check out. I think it's a cafe. But yeah, I haven't been to the second floor in a while. Let's do it. TokyoPaul here. That was the first floor of Nissan's showroom here in Ginza, Chuo, Tokyo. Let's go to the second floor and see what that's about. We always look from the outside, so today we're going inside for a while. The weather's nice. So my local Nissan dealerships get a 5-star rating. Nice. Great truck, oh nice. I still love Honda. To tell you the truth, I'm a Honda guy. Thanks to my family. Wow, so, yo, the Nissan, this is a classic. Z. I think some people in high school had this car, which is crazy because no one works in high school, so at least with a full-time job to afford this car. So this is a fair lady. Whoa, is that a specific model Z? Dude, I'm sure everybody wants a Z. It is a very racy looking car. Whoa, it's got nice leather seats. Oh my god, who in high school wouldn't want to bring around their friend's girlfriend in this car to the movies, to the mall? Honda is awesome. Yes, it is. Museum, and I'd probably get in trouble for saying that here in the Nissan showroom. Alright, look at that. Z. It's a beautiful car. Cute name, Z. Love that little logo there. I mean, Z. Gotta find that car. Nissan. Oh, yeah. Let's see what car. Fair Lady version. Whoa. It's 2002. That's like 20 years ago. What the? How much was it? I don't see a price. I guess it's a museum now. Nissan. Is that a Nissan? Oh my god, I've never seen that Nissan. Whoa, old Nissan. This is the Sylvia? No way. It's like a museum. We did a video about the Toyota museum. I hope I didn't delete it, but anyway. This is Nissan Sylvia model. A beautiful one that probably never... Oh, you can write your message there. It says write your message for the people you like or things you like by Nissan. Interesting. So this is a Sylvia 2. It's 1988. Whoa, right when I was born. Sylvia, twin cam, 16 valve Q. Wow. Sylvia. This is the cafe. People can sit here. Wow. Let's see the Ginza crossing down here. It's a pretty good chill for a few minutes. Chill with your friends. We almost never get another version of Ginza, so this is cool. Yeah, that's Ginza crossing down there. Ginza Lion flank is right down there. Nissan or Nissimo, the racing brand. It's like the Nissan Museum. Well, cans, toys. I bet you all of them are like 44 bucks. Oh. Various e-power. Yeah, they even have sandals. Oh, you can buy these. They're like 90 bucks each. For your ladies there. X Trail. Looks like a wagon. For a lady with a GT Nissan. I want that one. You have teddy bears. And then they got cool looking t-shirts. 50 bucks. They got mug sets. Frank, this looks like the place for you. This guy says, was there Rolling Royce? No, fortunately, I don't see one. If you know, let me know. These t-shirts about 50 bucks. You know, jacket for 140. Wow. How's a cafe here? Yes, there is. And then Skyline. I know a lot of Asians like that back in Maryland. Toyota's reputation is even more solid than Nissan's 9 years. Yeah, man. Toyota's the strongest company here by far. The Nissan, still strong. Ooh, these toys. These are all 40, 20, Fair Lady, custom, Skyline. Maybe I'll get that one. Apparently there's a third floor. So this is the Nissan boutique, that's what it's called. So the rest of this place